This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by John Templeton. Almost better than new and priced to sell. 2 bedrooms and a den / office with a closet. Great floor plan on this single-level upper unit. Purchased new by sellers as a getaway in 2006 but seldom used, so it still looks new. High-end appliances, air conditioning, vaulted ceilings and a garage. All the amenities of homestead, golf, spa, swimming pool, gym and first-class restaurant. 55+, but buyers of this unit can be from 41 to 55. These units are seldom available. Location, location, location. Sellers wish to stay in property until June 15, 2022. For more information, review the details below.